Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0053, which means your car's computer detected a problem with the heater circuit in your oxygen sensor. Don't worry, this is a fairly common fix. In this video, we'll walk you through what a P0053 code means and how to tackle it yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. The P0053 code indicates an issue with the heated oxygen sensor HO2S heater circuit on bank 1, sensor 1. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 is the upstream sensor, located before the catalytic converter. This sensor plays a vital role in regulating air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance and emissions. It needs to heat up quickly to function correctly, and the P0053 code signifies a problem in that heating circuit. You might notice a check engine light, but other symptoms might be subtle. Reduced fuel efficiency and rough idling are common. However, the car might still run seemingly fine in some cases. Tools you'll need: OBD-II scanner to clear the code after the fix, socket wrench set to remove the sensor, replacement oxygen sensor. Consult your car's manual for the right part, optional, multimeter to test the electrical circuit. Always work on a cool car parked on a level surface. Disconnect the battery before tinkering with electrical components. Before diving in, check for any loose or damaged wiring around the oxygen sensor. Look for exhaust leaks near the sensor as well, which can mess with readings. If the wiring seems okay, we can suspect a faulty sensor or a blown fuse. Consult your car's repair manual to locate the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater circuit and check it with a tester. Here's the most common fix. Locate the oxygen sensor number 1 on bank 2. Refer to your car's manual for exact location. Use the socket wrench to remove the sensor. Unscrew the electrical connector and carefully remove the sensor. Install the new sensor and reconnect the wiring. Tighten the sensor with the wrench following the recommended torque specifications. Refer to your manual. Reconnect the battery and start the car. Once you've replaced the sensor or fixed the wiring, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the P0053 code. Then test drive your car and see if the code comes back. If you're not comfortable replacing the sensor yourself, or if the fix doesn't clear the code, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem accurately and get your car running smoothly again. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video helped you understand and potentially fix the P0053 code. Remember, if things get too complex, a mechanic is always there to help. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.